What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Fregley from the Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Let's begin today's lesson at the top center of our page and draw a circle for the nose. We'll start from the very top, all the way down towards the bottom, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now leave a small gap and add a curve for the top edge of the mouth, starting from the left, and bend this down just underneath the nose, and then back up. Let's round out the side of the mouth. Come all the way around and back in. And we'll close out the bottom of the mouth with another curve. Down and then back up. Let's draw the top row of teeth. Starting right in the center, we'll draw a half oval coming down and up towards the right. Just continue all the way out towards the side of the mouth. Go back to the center and do the same thing towards the left. Now along the bottom, we're going to add a curve going up and then down for the tongue. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around the teeth and the tongue. Now I'm going to go back up to the top along the side of the nose and draw two large circles for the glasses. We're going to start on the top left of the nose, go all the way around, come down the side, and then back in. Let's line this up on the right, going all the way around. I just want to try to draw that same size circle and bring that back in towards the nose. Let's trace the circle on the inside, leaving a thin gap all the way around. Now I want to connect the glasses with two lines in the center, one along the top and one along the bottom. Now on the inside, we're going to draw two small circles for the pupils. Let's line this up on the right, and we'll fill the pupils in black. Now I'm going to go underneath the glasses and curve the cheeks going around the mouth. Start on the bottom left, go all the way out, come down. I'm just going to curve along the bottom of the mouth, and up towards the right, all the way around the cheek, and we'll bend that back in. Let's add some freckles underneath the glasses with 3 spots. Now I want to continue the curve of the head inside the glasses. So starting on the left, and bend this in, and then up, and the same thing on the right. Now along the top, I'm just going to curve the head, going up and then back down. Now I'm going to layer the hair along the top of the head. We'll start right in the middle, bend this up and then out, go back to the center, do the same thing on the right. Now I just want to flatten off the ends with a short line, just curve back in on top of the head. Let's add a few more along the bottom. Out and down, pull that back in. We'll just add one more curve along the top of the head and just tuck that in along the top. Let's add a few more in the center. Now I'm going to layer the hair along the top of the head. Starting with the left side, flatten this off, and just pull that back up. Couple more. And now I'm going to place the ears along the side of the head. We'll start inside the glasses, curve this ear going up and out in behind the frame. continue along the outside, back in. It's almost like drawing a circle. Now we're going to add a fold along the top of the ear, going up and out towards the side. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw in the scarf. We'll start underneath the head on the left side, bend this down the middle, and then back up. On the top left, let's curve the scarf, going out and then down. And we'll add some points on the end, going up, and then out. And we'll follow that same curve going up underneath the head. From the side of the scarf, let's step down and draw 2 straight angle lines coming down and out towards the hips. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add the zipper pull along the top, 2 angle lines coming down, close off the bottom, and draw 2 straight lines coming down the middle. Now just underneath the body, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going across, and then leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, bend the leg going out, and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down, and then up on both sides. Now on the left, we're going to bend the foot going up, and bring that in towards the ankle, curve the ankle coming down and then up. And then do the exact same thing on the right. Now from the hips, we want to step in and bend the outside of the leg going out and then down towards the outside of the ankle. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the foot. So we'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And then along the top of the foot, we'll add 2 curves. Coming in, now we're going to go all the way up to the top of the body, step down, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's draw a small half circle coming in and out from the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and up around that bracket. Step down, go out and up with the 2nd finger. And then the 3rd finger, we're just going to bring this in towards the outside of the wrist. From the outside of the wrist, let's bend the arm going up and in towards the top of the scarf. And we'll close off the cuff with a curve. Let's finish by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Fregley from A Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.